Hey, wellness seekers! Welcome back to Wellness from Homes, where we dive into simple, effective ways to take care of yourself, right from the comfort of your home. Today, we're talking about something that happens to most of us: nosebleeds. Don't worry, I'm going to share some quick and easy home remedies to help stop nosebleeds naturally. Let's get started. Before jumping into remedies, let's quickly understand why nosebleeds occur. They can be caused by dry air, allergies, a blow to the nose, or even picking your nose. Keeping your nasal passages moist is key to preventing future nosebleeds. The first thing to do when you get a nosebleed is pinch the nostrils together. Use your thumb and index finger and gently pinch the soft part of your nose. Lean forward slightly. This prevents the blood from flowing down your throat, which could cause nausea. Stay in this position for 10 to 15 minutes. It's a simple yet effective way to stop the bleeding. Next, cold helps constrict blood vessels, so placing a cold compress on the back of your neck or the bridge of your nose can help. Wrap ice in a clean cloth or use an ice pack, but don't apply directly to your skin. Just 10 to 15 minutes can reduce the bleeding and swelling. Now, dry air can make nosebleeds worse, especially in winter. A humidifier can add moisture to the air and help prevent dryness in your nasal passages. If you don't have a humidifier, you can place a bowl of water near a heating source to add some moisture to the air. If you suffer from frequent nosebleeds due to dryness, applying coconut oil or petroleum jelly inside your nostrils can help keep the inside of your nose moist. Just use a cotton swab to apply a thin layer. This can prevent nosebleeds from happening in the first place. Dryness is often the root cause of nosebleeds, and staying hydrated can really help. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're in a dry environment. This keeps your body, including your nasal passages, hydrated and healthy. Some herbal remedies can support healthy blood flow and prevent nosebleeds. For example, chamomile tea is known for its soothing properties. You can also try a saline spray to keep your nose moisturized, especially before going to bed. And there you have it, simple, natural remedies to stop a nosebleed and prevent them in the future. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional if nosebleeds become frequent or severe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you next time.